In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Figma desktop app. Keeping your design software up to date is crucial for any designer, and Figma is no exception. Regularly updating your Figma desktop application ensures you have access to the latest features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements. This not only streamlines your workflow, but also helps maintain compatibility with new file formats, plugins, and the ever-evolving design ecosystem. It's a simple process that yields significant benefits, preventing potential headaches and keeping you at the forefront of design innovation. Let's walk through the steps to make sure your Figma app is always running smoothly with its latest version. To begin, you'll first want to ensure you have the Figma desktop application open and active on your screen. Once you're inside the application, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the window. In this area, you'll consistently find a small, downward-pointing arrow icon. This arrow isn't just a design element, it serves as a universal indicator for a drop-down menu, containing various application-specific options and settings. It's often subtle, but once you spot it, you'll recognize its function. Go ahead and click on this arrow. Upon clicking, a comprehensive drop-down menu will instantly appear, revealing a list of actions and configurations related to your Figma application. This menu is where we'll find the specific option needed to check for updates. With the drop-down menu now visible on your screen, you'll need to carefully scan through the available options. Among them, you will clearly see an entry labeled Check for Updates. This is the precise command we need to initiate the update process. Click on Check for Updates. Once you select this option, the Figma application will then communicate with its servers to determine if a newer version of the software is available for you to download and install. You might notice a brief loading indicator or a message box pop up during this check. There are generally two outcomes after clicking Check for Updates. If an update is detected, Figma will typically notify you that a new version is available. It will often prompt you to download the update and then guide you through the installation process. This usually involves restarting the application for the new changes, features, and fixes to take full effect. It's a good idea to save any open work before proceeding with the restart. If, on the other hand, your Figma desktop app is already running the most current version, the application will simply inform you that you are up to date, which is fantastic news, confirming you're already enjoying the latest build. Making this check a regular part of your routine ensures you're always leveraging the best Figma has to offer, keeping your design environment stable, secure, and packed with the newest tools.